Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Smart Productivity. I'm Emma, and I am joined by the most organized person I know, Mark.
Thanks for the compliment, Emma. But I wasn't always organized. I used to feel like the day was running away from me. I would look at the clock at 5 p.m. and think, what did I actually do today?
I think many of our listeners feel exactly the same way. We have 24 hours in a day, but it never feels like enough. So, Mark, is time management about doing more things or doing the right things?
That is the golden question. Most people think time management is about working faster, like a machine, but real time management is about prioritization. It's about choosing what is important and saying no to what is not.
Saying number. That sounds difficult. Everything feels important when you are busy. How can we decide what to do first?
I love using a tool called the Eisenhower Matrix. It divides your tasks into 4 boxes. 1. Urgent and important. Do these right now, like a deadline today. 2. Important but not urgent. This is the magic box, like exercising or learning English. 3. Urgent but not important. These are distractions, like some emails or phone calls. Neither urgent nor important. These are time wasters, like scrolling on social media.
So, the secret is to spend more time in the important but not urgent box.
Exactly. If you focus on your long-term goals before they become urgent, you feel much more in control. You aren't firefighting all day. You are building your future.
That makes sense. But Mark, what about procrastination? Even when I know a task is important, I sometimes find myself cleaning the kitchen or checking my phone just to avoid starting.
Procrastination is usually a fear of the task being too big. When a task feels like a mountain, your brain wants to run away. The best way to beat this is the 5-minute rule.
What is the 5-minute rule?
Tell yourself you will only work on the task for 5 minutes. Just 5. Usually, the hardest part is starting. Once you start, the friction disappears, and you often find that you want to keep going.
I've tried that, and it really works. It's like tricking your brain into starting.
It really is. Another tip is time blocking. Don't just have a long to-do list. A list is just a wish. Instead, put the tasks on your calendar. Block out 1 hour for English study or 2 hours for project work. When it's on the calendar, it becomes a commitment.
I notice that when I don't have a plan, I spend my energy just deciding what to do.
We call that decision fatigue, Emma. You waste your brain's power just thinking about where to start. If you plan your day the night before, you wake up with a map. You just follow the plan.
This sounds great, but what about breaks? Some people work for 4 hours without stopping, but then they feel exhausted.
Your brain is like a battery. It needs to recharge. I suggest the 90-minute rule. Focus deeply for 90 minutes, then take a real 15-minute break. Walk away from your desk. Look at something green. Don't look at a screen.
Look at something green. I like that. It's a rest for the eyes and the mind.
Remember, listeners, time is the only thing we can't buy more of. Managing your time is actually managing your life. Emma, what a powerful way to end. Managing your time is managing your life. Indeed, start small, use your magic box, and don't forget to take breaks.
Thank you, Mark. I'm going to go block out some time on my calendar right now.
Good luck, Emma. See you all in the next episode.